Fine, good afternoon to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, are you revising daily portion? So now we are studying about chapter 2. So last class I have taught just introduction about number systems. Isn't it? So please study daily portion, okay? So welcome to our today's online class students. So now we are studying about chapter 2. So what's the title of our chapter? Number systems. So last class I have taught about what do you mean by number system. So what's the use of number system? Number system means it's a way of representing some input data into numbers. So we are giving some inputs to the computer. So the computer will process the data in the form of bits or bytes. So last class we have studied. So today we are going to study about a different types of number system. Okay. So different types of number system. So there are totally 4 kinds of number systems are there. Okay. So in a book they have given 4 types of number systems. So what are the 4 types of number system means? First one is decimal number system. Second one is binary. Third one is octal and fourth one is hexadecimal. Okay. So students, first all of you take your computer notebooks in your hand. Okay. So all of you take your computer notebooks in your hand. So today we are going to solve some problems. This chapter is full of problematic. So you should write the problems in your notebook. Okay. So first all of you take your computer notebooks in your hand. Take fast. Have you all taken? Yes, listen. So, listen, totally there are 4 different types of number systems are there. Okay. First one is decimal number system. Okay. First one is decimal number system. Second one is binary number system. Third one is octal number system. Fourth one is hexadecimal. Very easy. Okay. Listen. So, decimal number system always has the base value as a 10. Understand? So decimal number system always has a base value 10. That means, so it will come the values between 0 to 9. That means totally 10 numbers. Count it, how many numbers will be there? 0 to 9 means totally 10. So it have the base value 10. This and all very, very important because they ask to find out. So they will give some numbers and ask you to find out. So this number belongs to which number system. So you should identify. So how you need to identify means by this base value. Understand? So if a number comes with the base value 10 means, so that number belongs to which one? Decimal number system. Understand? So the base value 10 means the number belongs to decimal number system. Understand? Next one is binary number system. So binary number system always has the base value as a 2. So it will have only 2 digits, zeros as well as ones. But decimal number system, it has the values between 0 to 9. But the binary number system always has the base value 2. It will have only 2 digits. What are the 2 digits? Zeros and ones. Understand? Next one is octal number system. Okay. So octal number system always has the base value as a 8. Understand? So octal number system always has the base value 8. That means the values will come between 0 to 7. Understand, the values comes between 0 to 7. Okay. So count it, how many numbers will be there? Totally 8. Understand? Next, hexadecimal has the base value 16. So listen carefully. Hexadecimal number has the base value 16. But, so it will also have totally 16 numbers. But 0 to 9 we will write as a number. 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it will come, base value 16 means the number will come till 15. So after 10, we used to represent capital letters. Alphabet letters, capital letters you should represent. That means A represents 10. B means 11. C 12. D 13. E 14. F means 15. This is all very, very important. So in the problems, hexadecimal means if a number comes as a 10 means you should write, instead of 10 you will write as a. If a number is 11 means you will write B. 12 means C. D means 13. Likewise. Understand? So how many types of number systems are there? 4. What are they? Decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Understand? So decimal is a base value 10. Binary means base value 2. Octal means 8. Hexadecimal means 16. In hexadecimal, so numbers from 10 to 15, we used to represent alphabetical letters as a capital. Understand? So now, why we are using this numbering system? Okay. So, this numbering system is mainly used to representing different types of numbers. Okay. So, mainly used to represent numbers. So, normally in maths and all we used to represent numbers, isn't it? Normally we are using which kind of number system means decimal number system. Okay. So, normally we are using which number system? Decimal number system. Okay. Decimal means normal numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 max and all we will use now. That's a decimal number system. So, apart from this, there are 3 number systems. What are they? Binary, octal as well as hexadecimal. So, each number system will have separate base value. Other name of base value is radix. Okay. So, what do you mean by this base value? So, last slide we have studied, isn't it? Base value 10. Decimal means 10. Octal means 8. Hexadecimal means 16. Binary means 2. So, what's the use of this base value? By seeing this base value, we can able to identify this number belongs to which number system, isn't it? So, other name of base value is radix. Okay, that radix or base mean it is a count of number of digits. What do you mean by count? Count means, for example, decimal, we are giving the base value as 10. That means it will come, so 0 to 9. The values will come till 0 to 9. Understand? That's a count of numbering systems. Understand what I mean by count of numbering systems? So, it will represent how many values will come for each number system. Base value or radix. Understand? For example, decimal means the count of number is till 10. That means 0 to 9. Octal means 0 to 7 till 8. Okay. So, this radix base only, so will give positional numbering system. So, later we have studied in problems and positional numbering system. Position means each value has separate positions. So, in maths you have studied place value. Zeros, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. That's we are calling as a place value. Likewise, here also each number will have a positional value. Understand? Now we are going to study about each numbering system in detail. So, all of you take your computer notebooks. So, problems you should write in your computer notebook. Understand? So, listen. First one is a decimal number system. Okay. What's the numbering system first? Decimal numbering system. So, what's the base value of decimal number? What's the base value of decimal number? 10. So, it will contain how many digits? 0 to 9. Understand? It will contain how many digits? 0 to 9. So, this decimal number system is the oldest number system. Understand? So, this is the decimal number system is the oldest number system as well as a most popular number system we are used in the olden days. So, olden days also they are using this number system also. Now also in maths we are using this number system. So, each number will have a positional value. Okay. So, each number like a max, each numbers have a place value, isn't it? Likewise, each number will have a related positional value. Okay. So, that means, what's the meaning of that? Means, each number is multiplied by 10. 10 power. Okay. So, each number is multiplied by the value 10 power. Understand? So, each value is multiplied by the value 10 power. That is called what? That is a decimal number system. Understand? So, decimal number system will have the values till, what's the base value of decimal number system? Base value of decimal number system is 10. So, that means, So that means the value will come 0 to 9. Understand, the value will come till 0 to 9. Okay. So each value will have a some position. Each value will have a some position. Like a max we have. In max we used to say no positional values, the place values, isn't it? Likewise here also have each value will have a some positions. Okay. So each value we are giving these positions by multiplying the value 10 the power. Okay. So first write the problem, then only you will get understand. Write the problem. Okay. First write it. So write the example. So all of you take your computer notebook. So all of you take your computer notebook. So write the heading. Write a heading as a decimal number system. Okay. Write a heading as a decimal number system. Have you all written? Okay. So under the decimal number system, put number 1. Under the decimal number system, put number 1. Write a problem. So write 100 and this question you write. 123 base 10. Write it. 123 base 10. So write it 123 base 10 like the same. You write. So this example is there. No? First you write only this 123 base 10. Okay. So listen carefully how you need to convert this decimal number system. Okay. So listen carefully. So 123, isn't it? So like a max each value will have a place value, isn't it? So likewise, so here also the same place value we are going to write. Okay, same place value. For example, 123. See the first thing. First, always the place value will start from 0. Understand? So always the place value we used to count from 0. Count list starting from here, this side, okay? The right side. 3, the place as 0. Then 2 means 1. 1 means 2. Understand? Once more. So, in the above these numbers, if you are feeling tough to understand means, in the above these numbers, you write the place value as say 0. Right. So, count from here, count. Above this number with pencil you write 0, 1, 2. Understand? 0. Above this number 3, the place value is 0. Starting from here. Next is 1. Next is 2. Understand? Next, listen. So, decimal number system means you have studied the number is multiplied by 10 the power. Isn't it? 10 the power. So, starting from here, listen. Here you have written the place value is 2. Isn't it? So, 1 into 10 the power 2. First value 1 into 10 the power 2. Next, 2 into, here what's the place value? 10 the power 1. Next, plus 3 into 10 the power 0. Understand? Once more, the place value starting from here 0, 1, 2. So, decimal number system means you should multiply each number with a power, 10 the power. So, starting from here, first number 1 into 10 the power. What's the place value of 1 here? 2. So, 1 into 10 the power 2. Then, plus 2 into, what's the place value of 2? 1. 2 into 10 the power 1. Then, plus, what's the place value of 3? 0. So, 3 into 10 the power 0. Understand? Then, so multiply. What is the 10 square? 10 square means 100. So, 1 into 100. What's the value 1 into 100? 100 plus 2 into 10 the power 1. What's the value of 10 the power 1? 10. So, multiply 2 into 10. The value is 20. Plus 3 into 10 the power 0. What's the value of 10 the power 0? 1. So, 3 into 1 the value is 3. Understand? Now, add it. 100 plus 20, 120, 120 plus 3, 123. So, answer is 123. That is very, very important. So, this is a decimal number system. So, decimal number system always have the base value 10. So, you should write the base value as a 10. That is very, very important. So, without writing this base value, you won't get mark. Okay. So, decimal number system means you should write the base value as a 10. The answer is 123. Inside bracket, outside you should write 10. So, write this problem in your notebook. Write fast. Write fast, write fast. So I will written right first. So above this number, first you write the place value starting from 0, 1, that means right side. Then each place value should multiply with the power 10. That's a decimal number system. That is important. Decimal system, number system, you should multiply each number with 10. Okay, 10 the power 2. For example, here more than some more values will be there. So after that, 5, for example, the value will be 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. For example, I am telling 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So what you will write? 0, 1, 2, next two numbers 3, 4. Okay. At that time you should multiply. So that is a 5 into 10 the power 4. Then 6 into. Based on that, the number of place value will get increased. Here 2. Next number is there means 3. Next is there means 4. Understand? So write first. This is the first problem in decimal number system. So after the answer, you should write in the answer, you should write in bracket with the base value. So here what's the base value for decimal number system? 10. Understand? Have you all written? This is the first example in decimal number system. So likewise, they will ask lot of own questions in your exam. Okay, completed? Okay. So next thing is a binary number systems. What's the second number system? Binary number system. Okay. So binary number system only contain 2 digits. Decimal number system will contain 10 digits. That means numbers from 0 to 9. Already we have studied. So but binary number system always have only 2 digits. What are the 2 digits? Zeros as well as 1. Okay. So what's the base value of binary number system? 2. Okay. Same. Once you have studied decimal number system means same model only all the number systems we are going to solve. Okay. So there what's the positional value for the decimal number system? 10. So each number we are multiplying 10. That's the position of that position value with the power 10. That means 10 the power 0. That position value is 0. Next 10 the power 1. The position value is 1. So likewise in binary number systems we are giving the positional value as a 2. That means each number is multiplied with the powers of 2. Like a decimal number system, we are multiplying the powers of 10, isn't it? The similar way in binary number system, we are multiplying each number with the powers of 2. Understand? That's the difference. So in binary number system, so you have 2 bits are there. Okay, that is MSB and LSB. How many bits are there? 2 bits. What are they? MSB and LSB. MSB means most significant bit. This is an important 1 mark question. MSB means most significant bit. Okay. So this MSB value always have largest positional weight. Important 1 mark questions. Which will have largest positional weight? MSB. Okay. So next, this is the leftmost bit. So MSB means some bit is there. Among the bit, the last leftmost bit we are calling as an MSB. That is most significant bit. Okay. Then the rightmost bit. Rightmost bit we are calling as an LSB. That means least significant bit. So this has smallest weight, positional value. Okay. So like a last thing only, just you think, always we will start the numbers from where? Left side, isn't it? So here the place value is 0, next to 1, next to 2, next to 3. So this will have the positional weight, always the positional will have smaller. So after the value is moving to right side, we have the positional weight higher. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? Now understand? So always the LSB will have the smallest positional weight and the MSB will have the largest positional weight. Understand what I mean by positional weight? So see this example. For example, how many the binary numbers always will have the values 1s and 0s. So by seeing the numbers, you can able to identify this is the binary number system. See this example 1, 1, 0, 1. By seeing itself, you can identify this is the binary number system. Why? The binary number systems always have values 1s and 0s. So we have studied the leftmost bit we are calling as an LS bit. So this is the leftmost bit. And the rightmost last bit we are calling as an MSB, most significant bit. So which will have the highest positional weight? MSB. LSB has lowest positional weight. For example, 0. Place value is 0, 1, 2, 3. Understand? So see this is the second example. So in your notebook you should write. First you listen carefully. Afterwards you can write. Okay. So now we are going to convert this. Now we are going to write the binary sequence. Now we are going to convert this binary number into a decimal number. Okay. So in your in your notebook put the heading as a binary number system. So all of you write in your notebook put a heading as a binary number system. I will written binary number system. Okay. Then put the question number 2. So write a question. Convert convert CONVERT, convert, write this number inside the bracket as it is 11012. Likewise this number, convert this number into decimal. Right, convert question, write it, convert this number, write it like a similar same way you should write inside the bracket 1101, then base value 2 into decimal. Okay, now listen carefully, afterwards we can write. Okay, so now we are going to convert this number to a decimal number. Okay, so listen carefully. By this will have a base value 2. So by seeing itself we can know this number is a binary number system, because binary numbers always have the numbers 1s and 0s. So this number is a binary number system. But question is, now we are going to convert this number into a decimal number. Okay, this is a binary number, but we are going to convert this number into a decimal number. Understand? Listen carefully. So binary number means always you should multiply the number with the power 2. Always you should multiply the power with the 2. So listen. So here also above this number you write a place value. With pencil you write here, put 0. Then 1, 2, 3. Understand? Above this number you write with the small you write. Here the place value 0. Then the place value 1. Then place value 2. Then place value 3. Understand? Understand what I am telling? Have you all written? So likewise this you should write. Okay. So likewise this. So above this number is there means above this place value. Place value is 0. Then above this number 1. Next number 2. Next the place value is 3. Understand? Okay. Then, so here you have written the place value. Next what you should know? You need to multiply the number with the power 2. Decimal means you already have studied. You should multiply the number with 10 the power. So listen, starting from here. Listen, 1 into, what's the place value of here? 3. So 1 into 2 the power 3. Then plus next number. 1 into, what's the place value? 2. So 1 into 2 the power 2. Next plus, what's the number? 0. 0 into, what's the place value here? 1. 2 into 2 power 1. Plus, what's the last thing? 1 into, what's the place value? 2 the power 0. So nothing is there. Each number you should multiply. Binary means each number is multiplied with 2 with the place values or powers. Okay. Here the place value is 3. So 2 the power 3. Here 2 the power 2. Here 2 the power 1. Here 2 the power 0. Each number 1 into 2 the power 3. So plus 1 into 2 the power 2. Then plus 0 into 2 the power 1. Plus 1 into 2 the power 0. Understand? Now multiply. So 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So answer is 8. So here one more step you need to write means write 1 into 8. Right, 1 into 8 plus 2 the power 2. What's the value? 2 square means 4 plus 1 into 4 plus here 0 into 2 the power 1. What's the answer to the power 1? 2. 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 the power 0. What's the value to the power 0 means 1. Understand? So if you need means write this step also. 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Sorry, 2 to the power 0 means 1. Understand? So now add it. 8 plus 4, 12. So 0 into 2 to the power 0, anything multiplied by 0, answer you are getting as a 0. Plus, what's the 2 to the power was 0 value? 1. Add it. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So listen, that only first itself I am telling. In your question what they have, convert the number into a decimal. So decimal means always the base value will have 10. But your question, listen carefully. Question they have given, they say binary number. But you are converted this number into a binary. Question the base value is 2. But you are converting the number to decimal. So you should write the value is a decimal. What's the base value of decimal? 10. So answer is a decimal with a 10. So if you are not writing this place value means, that means base value, you won't get mark. Only they will give half mark. So this base value is very, very important. But the question itself has, they asked to convert into a decimal. So the base value is 10. So write the answer, write it fast. Write it. Write fast. This is the answer 1101. So likewise, they will give lot of numbers. Here only how many digits are there? Only 4 digit number. Sometimes they will give 5 digit or 7 digit. So each thing you should increase the place value. That's all. Okay. So here now lot of numbers there means 4, 5, 6, 7. So each number is multiplied to the power. Understand? Write first. Write fast. Completed? Yes. Completed? So, next thing is the octal number system. Okay, next we are going to study octal number system. Listen. So, octal number system, already you have studied what's the base value of octal number system? 8. Okay, so it will have how many digits? 8 digits, isn't it? So, 8 digits. So, the values will come from 0 to 7. Okay, always the values will come between 0 to 7. Understand? So, here similar to the decimal and binary number system, each have place value, but each place value you should multiply with the power 8. So, the 8 rise to some powers, power of 8. So, each positional value you should write with the power of 8. For example, first 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3, 8 power 4. So, each number you are going to write with the positional, multiplying the number with the positional value of powers of 8. That's the difference. Understand? So, what's octal number system? So, octal number system will have how many digits? 8 digits. That means the base value have 8. The values will come between 0 to 7. So, each digit will have a positional value. You are going to multiply each digit with the powers of 8. Understand? Yes, now put the heading in your notebook. Put the heading octal number system. Put the heading octal number system. Put the heading as a octal number system. Then write a question, convert. Write a question, convert. Convert. This, like this number you write, 547 base 8. So, octal number system always has the base value as a 8. So, convert this number, 547 base 8. So, I convert this number, 547 base 8 into decimal. Convert this number, 547, this base 8 into decimal. Now, listen. Okay, so in a question they have given which number? Octal number 547. So we are going to convert this number. So by seeing a base value itself, we can identify this number is a which number? Octal number. Octal number always has the base value 8. We are going to convert this number into a decimal. Okay, So by seeing the question itself, you should know. So question they have given octal number, but you are going to convert the number into a decimal. So the answer will have the base value, which one? 10. Understand? So listen. So what's the format for converting octal? Similar last we have studied, the same thing only. But here you are going to multiply the powers of 8. That's the difference. Decimal means each number you should multiply with the 10 power. Likewise, binary means 2 power. Okay. The octal means 8 power. So, above this number you write the place value. What's the place value? 0. Place value 7 is 0. Then place value of 4 is 1. Place value of 5 is 2. Isn't it? So, now we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply each thing with a place value. So, multiply. What's the place value of 5? 2. 5 into 8 square. Okay, 5 into 8 square. Plus, then 4 into, what's the place value? 1. 4 into 8 the power 1. Next, 7 into 8 the power 0. Understand? Each value. Here the place value is 2. So, 5 into 8 the power 2 plus 4 into 8 the power 1 plus 7 into 8 the power 0. Understand? Now you write 5 into, what's the value of 8 square? 8 into 8, 64. Plus 4 into, what's the value of 8 power 1? 8 power 1 means 8. Plus 7 into 8 the power 0 means 1. And so now multiply 64 into 5, the answer is 320. Plus 4 into 8, the answer is 32. Plus 7 into 1, the answer is 7. So now add it 320 plus 32 plus 7. Answer you are getting as a 359. So in a question they asked to convert into which one? Convert to decimal. So the base value you should write as a 10. See the question, the number they have given into a octal, but you have converted this number into a decimal. So the answer with the base value you should write as a 10. Understand? So write this problem. Write fast, write fast. Write fast. Write fast. Write fast. Completed. 5 into 64 plus 4 into 8 plus 7 into 1. Write fast. Write fast. Completed? Yes. Next one is a hexadecimal number system. Okay. So what's the base value of hexadecimal? Base value of hexadecimal is 16. Okay. So hexadecimal we can say, in short we used to read hex numbers. Okay. So like a binary sequence, hexadecimal numbers or short form we are going to call as a hex numbers. Okay. So this hexadecimal number, we are going to represent number as a more compact manner. That means a more ordered manner. Okay. But already we have studied. So how many numbers will be there in a hexadecimal? 0 to 15. So how many numbers are there totally? 0 to 15 means 16 numbers are there. But 0 to 9, we will write as a digit. 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 9. After 10, we are using alphabets to represent each number. So, indeed, A represents 10. B means 11. Likewise, so we are using alphabets to represent the numbers from 10 to 15. So, we are calling the 16 numbers are called as what? hexadecimal. Understand what's the base value of hexadecimal? 16. We used to call hexadecimal numbers a short form in hex numbers, but here this number is mainly used to represent the data in a very compatible manner. 16 symbols are using. Above the number 10 to 15, we are using alphabets to represent. Understand? So listen carefully. So here already we have studied in decimal, binary, octal. Same way we are going to represent the numbers. Each number we are going to convert the positional value with the rise to the power 16. Okay. So by decimal means you have multiplied each number with the value 10 power, rise to the power 10. Binary means rise to the power 2. Octal means rise to the power 8. Hexadecimal means rise to the power 16. That's the difference. Understand? So, but in the answer, you should write if the answer will come 9 or 10. That like means in the 10, you are going to write the A for 10. 11 means you are going to write as a B. Okay. C means you will write as a 12. Then 13 means E. 14 means, E. 13 means D. 14 means E. 15 means F. Till 15 you are going to represent the numbers with alphabets. Understand? That's the thing. So listen carefully. So now in your notebook put the heading hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. In your notebook put the heading hexadecimal number system. So under the heading you write convert this number 25 base 16. Convert 25 this base 16 into decimal. Convert this number 25 16 into decimal. Convert 25 this base 16 into decimal. Okay. So listen. So here also the same step only. What we will write? First we will put a base value. Place value. What's the place value of 5 here? 0. What's the place value of 2 here? 1. Then you should multiply each number with the power 16. That's the difference. Okay. Same only. Decimal means you should multiply each number with 10. Binary means you should multiply each number with the power of 2. Octal means you should multiply each number with the power of 8. Hexadecimal means you should multiply each number with the place value of 16. Okay. So what's the place value of 2 here? 1. So here lot of numbers are there. 5 numbers are there. Means think. Here 5 numbers. For example, 125. Not 125, 1025. For example, I am giving number 1025. How you should convert 1025 means how many place values will come? 0 to 4. So 1 into 16 power 0. 16 power 4. Then 0 into 16 power 2. 2 into 16 power 1. Likewise, you should increase the place value. But in your question, they have given 25. So how many place values will come? Zeros and 1. So multiply 2 into 16 power 1 plus 5 into 16 power 0 equal to, so multiply 16 power 1 means 16. 2 into 16 the value is 32 plus 5 into 16 power 0 is anything power 0 the answer is 1. So 5 into 1 5. So 32 plus 5 the answer you will get as say 37. So listen, here also you are converting this number into a which one? Decimal. So the value you should put as a base value as a 10. Understand? So write this example. Write fast. So write fast. Two into 16 power 1 plus 5 into 16 power 0 plus equal to 16 power 1 means 32 plus 16 power 0 means 1. 5. 32 plus 5. The answer you are getting as a 37. So the base value in question they asked to convert into a decimal. So the base value you should put as a 10. Understand? Have you all written? So listen. So next one is, this is the table. For this table you should study thorough. Okay. So this table you should study thorough, but very easy to write. Short form, in a short manner I used to say how you need to write. So listen. So this table, first you should put the heading decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Okay. This table you should write in your notebook. Okay. Don't copy and write, but you should write. How you need to write, I'll say. Listen. Okay. So first, till 15 numbers you are going to write. Okay. First in the decimal column, starting from 0, you write. Okay. First, listen carefully. Decimal column. 0, 1, 2, 3 till 15 you write. This you know. Listen carefully. Binary number, how you need to write means, first, listen carefully. First you should, this side you should write 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Till 15 you should write. Understand how many numbers are there? Till 15. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Likewise you should write. Okay. See like this. First 0, 1. Next 0, 1. Next 0, 1. Again 0, 1, 0, 1. Likewise 15. Till 15 you write 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Till 15. Understand what I am telling? First you write this number 0, 1. Next 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Till 15 you should write. Understand? Next thing. Second time, here for how many times you write? 0. Here 2 times 0. 2, 0, 2, 1. Next 2, 0, 2, 1. Next 2, 0, 2, 1. Understand? Same thing only you are going to write 2, 0, 2, 1. Again 2, 0, 2, 1. Understand? Like this. Okay. First you have written only one time. 0, 1, 0. Next time 2, 0, 2, 1. Next 2, 0, 2, 1. 2 times you should write. Till 50. Understand? 2, 0, 2, 1. 2, 0, 2, 1. Understand? Next, same thing. 4 times you write. 4, 0. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 0, 0, 0. Next 4 times. 1, 1, 1. Again 4 times. 0, 0, 0. Again 4 times. 1, 1, 1. Understand? Next time, 8 times you should write. 8. So, 8 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, till 8 times. 8 times 0, 8 times 1. Otherwise, very tough to study. Don't by God this one. You can't able to memorize. Okay, this is the shortest form for writing this number. Understand? First 2 times, 1 time, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Next time, 2 times, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Next 4 times, 0, 0, 0, 4 times, 1, 1. Next 8 times. Understand? What's the meaning means? The decimal value convert immediately by seeing the table itself you can say. Decimal value of 0 is binary. In binary we can say 0 is like this. Decimal binary value of 1 is 0, 0, 1. Binary value of 2 is 0, 0, 1. 0, 3 is 0, 0, 1. Understand? So like this you can write any numbers. You can write. Okay. Next time you should write means 16 times. Next 32. So here in your book they have given till 8. Understand? So you should write this as in your notebook. Okay. Next octal. Listen. Same thing. Octal I am telling. First octal numbers. How many digits will have 0 to 7? Binary we have only 2 digits, 0s and 1. So we have written like this. But octal we have 7 digits. So starting from this side you write first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One time you write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understand? First time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 time. Okay, first row over. Second row, so 8 times 0, 8 times 1. Understand? Second row, 8 times 0, 8 times 1. See, 8 times 0 is there. 0, 8 times 0. Then 8 times 1. Understand? Next time, 16 times 0, 16 times 1. So here we are writing only 15. So 16, 0 will be there. Understand? That way you should write. Hexadecimal, listen carefully. Hexadecimal, the numbers will till 9 only we used to write in numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Remaining all the things you should write as a 0 only. Okay. First this side you should write from 0 to 9. Then all the things 0. After 10 you should represent alphabets. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Understand how you should write this tabular column? Otherwise don't memorize this. You will get forget. So today's homework is listen. In your notebook what are the problems after school reopens? Surely I will see all this problem. What are the problems I have taught? You should write that problems as well as this tabular column. You should don't copy what way I asked you to study. That same way you should write in your notebook. That's the homework for you. Okay. So for exam also you study well. Thank you students. Remaining we can continue in the next class. Thank you.